Hello and welcome to my channel AM Trading Tips. In this video, we will discuss 13 psychological trading hacks that can help you become an instantly smarter trader. These hacks will help you develop the right mindset, improve your decision-making skills, and achieve better results in your trading activities. So let's start now. 1. Develop a growth mindset. The first hack is to develop a growth mindset. Embrace challenges and view failures as opportunities to learn and grow. This mindset will help you stay motivated and focused on improving your skills and strategies. 2. Manage your emotions. The second hack is to manage your emotions. Emotions can cloud judgment and lead to poor trading decisions. Learn to manage your emotions and avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. 3. Set realistic goals. The third hack is to set realistic trading goals. Set achievable targets and work towards achieving them. This will help you stay focused and motivated. 4. Develop a trading plan. The fourth hack is to develop a trading plan. A trading plan will help you stay disciplined and avoid impulsive trades. It will also help you to identify your strengths and weaknesses and improve your trading strategies accordingly. 5. Practice risk management. The fifth hack is to practice risk management. Proper position sizing and the use of stop-loss orders can help you limit your losses and manage your risk. 6. Learn from your mistakes. The sixth hack is to learn from your mistakes. Analyze your trading activities and identify your mistakes. Use them as opportunities to improve your trading strategies and decision-making skills. 7. Keep a trading journal. The seventh hack is to keep a trading journal. A trading journal will help you track your trades, identify patterns, and evaluate your performance. 8. Stay informed. The eighth hack is to stay informed. Stay up to date with the latest news and developments in the markets you trade. This will help you make informed trading decisions. 9. Follow a trading system. The ninth hack is to follow a trading system that has a proven track record of success. This will help you stay consistent and avoid making impulsive trades. 10. Use technical analysis. The 10th hack is to use technical analysis. Technical analysis can help you identify trends and potential entry and exit points. This will help you make more informed trading decisions. 11. Avoid overtrading. The 11th hack is to avoid overtrading. Limit your trades to those that meet your trading criteria. This will help you avoid impulsive trades and reduce your risk of losses. 12. Practice patience. The 12th hack is to practice patience. Wait for the right trading opportunities to come to you. Avoid chasing trades and be patient in your decision-making. 13. Stay positive. The 13th hack is to stay positive. Maintain a winning mindset and stay motivated to achieve your trading goals. Conclusion. So, these were the 13 psychological trading hacks that can help you become an instantly smarter trader. Remember, trading requires discipline, patience, and a positive mindset. Apply these hacks in your trading activities, and you will see a positive impact on your results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and strategies.